big changes on the way in the next 24 hours. Before we deal with that, we'll take a look outside because it has been a fabulous day around central Iowa. Readings now in the upper 30s, not a lot of a breeze, northwesterly, wind chill just 29. So fortunately, hopefully you got out at least a little bit today because the changes, well, we'll be moving on into central Iowa during the morning hours. Here's your timeline. At 5 a.m. we'll have clouds and maybe some flurries. By 7 a.m. some light snow starts here in the metro. By 9, expect a steady snowfall, and that will continue through the afternoon hours tomorrow. See morning temperatures in the teens, climbing into the lower to mid-20s for the afternoon. The snow will be accumulating, again, starting in that 8, 9 a.m. time period, and we'll deal with the amounts in just a bit. Right now, the system looks very unimpressive. It's up here in the Dakotas and not really getting its act together yet, but it will be interacting with some moisture, which was drawn up from the Gulf of Mexico today, along with a pretty stout little low-pressure area that's sliding in. And you can see the advisory and warning areas kind of lining up with where that snow is as it tracks down to Iowa and is expected to intensify. So for tonight, here's the low with the snow just north of the warm front pushing across Iowa through the afternoon tomorrow. Winds will be coming in from the east. They won't be real strong in the 15 to 20 mile per hour range. That will cut down on some of the blowing and drifting. So tonight, 7 o'clock, beautiful conditions across the state. Then we'll bring in the cold air overnight, start to snow up in northwest Iowa before drive time, and then slide it right across the state through the afternoon tomorrow. 2 p.m., already probably seeing a couple inches of accumulation here in the metro. The snow will continue to push on to the southeast, ending by around midnight or so, tapering off to flurries, with still some accumulation around Sheraton and Ottumwa. And then on Thursday, we'll have dry conditions, and everyone will be out doing a little bit of shoveling. Now, don't get too freaked out with the amounts here. This is a potential, but you can see already by around noontime, we're a couple inches here in the metro, and potentially 4 to 5 up in northwest Iowa. And then as this band slides right across the metro, we could look at amounts maybe approaching the 8 to 9 inch range. That doesn't mean specifically that Des Moines could see that, but in this general band, 4 will be very common, 6 will be likely, and an occasional amount, maybe up close to 9 inches. So we're going to be watching this as we get some new information, especially later tonight and first thing tomorrow. But there's enough likeliness of significant snow that you can see that area I just showed you with the accumulation. That's where the warning is in effect for tomorrow until 9 p.m. with advisories on either side where the snow will be in the 3 to 5 inch range. Kind of looking at the headlines for this event. Snow on the way, intensifying during the drive time, especially just after that 9, 10 a.m. Most of the moderate snow between 10 and 7 p.m. Again, not a lot of drifting, but it will be coming down at such a rate that you'll have visibility down to about a half mile as you're driving around. So forecast tonight, no worries this evening, 16 overnight. Light snow starts 2, 3 a.m. up in the northwest counties. Light becoming moderate snow during the day tomorrow, lower 20s. We will have that winter storm warning, a general 4 to 7 inch band with some 9 inch amounts possible here in central Iowa. Your extended forecast with fresh snow, temperatures go way down, 10 on Thursday, 15 on Friday, some below zero readings early in the morning. Additional snow over the weekend, Saturday into Sunday. Too early to talk about amounts with that one. And then temperatures slowly recover early next week.